how should I adjust my PPC strategy before, during, and after Prime Day. Here in the States now in 2026, today's date is July 29th. So Prime Day just finished. It was during Thursday and Friday last week. Now what we're seeing is when it came down to Prime Day, the best thing that we could do is not only to optimize our bids, but optimize campaigns. And then by that, what I mean is focusing on the campaigns that were best performing, because you might say strategically and technically, yes, you might want to increase your bids to make sure that you're still going to get impressions. However, what is super specific to especially occasions like that, like Prime Day, it's going to be the budget. Do you still have budget? Because if the budget is running out, it doesn't matter if your bids are optimized, there's nothing else to spend. So that was the first thing that we really would look into before, during, and after Prime Day. Of course, bid adjustment, it's one of the things that was important, but budgets was one of the things that were more important because budgets were running out quicker than expected.